we are going on the internet looking like this. I have a very special surprise for you guys. I wanted to start like trying different things just in general, I guess, and also specifically for hair, because I know that a lot of you are here for hair videos, because we have learned that a lot of people out there actually have very similar hair texture to me, which is very surprising and also very relieving for my soul. Yeah, today is very exciting. It's very special. It is the first round of trying things for my hair. If you guys have any recommendations of things that I should try, whether it's hair related or just like random things, let me know in the comments, because I'm up for just about anything. Today we're talking about this. This is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I think it's called that. Mine is covered in hair because I have used it before, and it's amazing. So I've wanted to film this video for a little while now, actually, since I bought this, because I was blown away by this thing, and it's been ridiculously hot, so I haven't been styling my hair with any heat. Also, I just try not to style my hair with heat in general, but we all have preferences, and sometimes we want to style our hair a little bit differently. I watched a couple girls try this thing. Some, they hated it and they didn't like it at all. Others, I was like, oh my god, how did that happen? So I went ahead and I purchased one for myself, and I have never ever been happier with a purchase ever in my life. That's not true. That's like really extra and like not true, but this thing is amazing. Typically, whenever I blow dry my hair, it takes like 30 minutes to blow dry it, and then maybe 30 minutes to style it after it's blow dried. This is what my hair looks like blow dried, essentially 30 minutes of blow drying. I'll put a picture here. I'll also link you to a video that you can see me styling my hair and what it pretty much looks like after it's blow dried or even just air dried. I have really thick frizzy hair, and I'm gonna just brush my hair out. This is a wet brush. I highly recommend them if you are looking to buy a brush. It doesn't like rip my hair out of my head, which is amazing, so I really like it. I did let my hair just sit in a towel, as you saw earlier. It was like in a towel for like 10 to 15 minutes because I was hungry and I needed to eat before I did this. So essentially what this thing is a blow dryer that has like a brush around it. So you turn it on and air comes out of the whole thing, and I think it's kind of, don't quote me on this, like a blowout brush. I've never had my hair blown out. I've never done a blowout. I don't know really much about that, but I know quite a few girls that go and get their hair blown out, and they really like it, and their hair always looks really nice. Because I don't know anything about blowouts, this is 100% just like what I do and what I did, and I actually don't really know. This is just what I did, and it worked really well for me. So the only thing that I've done so far is get out of the shower. I put heat protectant spray in my hair already while it was drying a little bit in the towel, and now we're gonna do it. So like I said before, it typically takes me like 30 minutes to blow dry my hair, and then 30 minutes to like style my hair. And by style, I mean like straighten and curl it. I am going to set a timer today, and we're gonna see how long it takes to actually style my hair with this Revlon styler. The styler has 3 different settings. It has off, cool, low, and high. And essentially what I do is I kind of just like pull the hair underneath and then pull it down as it's drying. I am sorry that that is a horrible explanation, but that's what I'm gonna do. So first I'm gonna kind of try to get it to mostly dry, and then I'm going to start styling it while it's drying. I'm sorry that I'm bad at explaining things, but I'll let you guys watch what I do. Okay guys, it's a little bit hot. It has been exactly, well, 18 minutes so far. 18 minutes. My hair is dry and look at it. Oh my god. It is soft and it looks nice and shiny and it is straight. Typically, I don't like having straight hair. So at this point, I'll probably go in and I will style it a little bit, like just with a curling iron or a straightener, just to fix, like, I have like a tiny bit of frizz here, just to like give myself a little bit of curl. But if you like having straight hair, like, this is amazing. For me, it works really great because now I have completely dried and almost completely styled my hair in 18 minutes rather than an hour, which is insanity. And now the gardeners are here, even though it's 1 p.m. and they're usually here at 8 a.m. So I'm gonna end this, I guess, really quick before they get really, really loud. 18 minutes, guys. That's how long it took me to do my hair. It usually takes me an hour to do my hair. An hour. I think that's mind-blowing. I have pretty long hair too. Like, my hair is not like short, so if you have even shorter hair than I do, then this thing could be like 5 minutes. I'm sorry, I know. It just blows my mind. Actually, I'll show you a picture of my hair styled from another video right here after hairstyling. Like, my biggest thing is like the lack of frizz. There's like no frizz. For me, this is no frizz. For other people, people might think that there's frizz, but if you know my hair, this is like no frizz. Of course, this video is not sponsored. This is just something that I purchased for myself and I loved so much that I wanted to share it with you guys. I love this product. If you have thick, big, wavy, coarse, frizzy, any of the above type of hair, this thing could be such a relief for your styling routine. Especially if you don't have a lot of time or maybe just not a lot of patience. If you guys have any recommendations for things that you want me to test out, whether it is hair products, hair tools, or legitimately just like anything for like daily use as a typical human being, let me know, because I'm down to try just about anything, especially if you guys are curious about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I will do my best to answer all of them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a good old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I super appreciate you guys. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.